Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video we learn HTML styles. The HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an element, such as color, font, size, and more. The HTML style attribute. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax. Background color. The CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. Example. Text color. The CSS color property defines the text color for an HTML element. Example. Fonts. The CSS font family property defines the font to be used for an HTML element. Example. Text size. The CSS font size property defines the text size for an HTML element. Example. Text alignment. The CSS text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. Example. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and ensure you press the bell icon.